Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken necks the easiest and tasty way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you'll need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a handful of coriander leaves. You'll also need about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional, 3 tablespoons of turmeric sauce. You'll also need chicken necks, as you can see in the video I've already washed them. And you'll also need extra spices, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and lastly you will need coriander powder, about 1 teaspoon. Start by adding all the spices into the chicken necks. Add the garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper, salt to taste, and ginger garlic paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of tamarind sauce to add an extra amazing taste to the chicken necks. Then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And lastly, add chili flakes, about 1 teaspoon, optional, and mix everything well. Mix the chicken and the spices very well until well combined. You can marinate the chicken for 1 hour if you have the time. But if you don't have the time, you can cook them immediately. After 1 hour of marination, remove the chicken from the fridge and place them on a pan. Cover the chicken necks to cook on a low-medium heat till soft. Check the chicken necks constantly while stirring them to make sure they cook evenly. It's really important to cover them so that the vapor gets into the chicken and to make the chicken necks more softer. Lastly, you're going to garnish your chicken necks with some coriander leaves, then cover them for at least 3 minutes and your chicken necks will be ready. After 3 minutes, your chicken necks are ready. As you can see in the video, they look so soft and very tasty. I'll stir them once more and serve your chicken necks on a plate. I will serve the chicken necks on a plate so you can able to see how soft and tasty the chicken necks looks. And my tasty chicken necks are ready, as you can see in the video. These are so delicious. You can eat along with bread, rice, or anything that you like and enjoy your chicken necks. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.